Lesson 3.1 Using Labels to Organize Your Class or Subject. Part of the Gmail course. Gmail doesn't use folders. Instead, to help you organize your mail more effectively, Gmail uses labels. Basically, labels do all the work folders do and give you an extra bonus. You can add more than one to a message. There's no limit to how many labels you can apply to an email, and because Gmail aggregates all related email messages into conversations, when you label one message in the conversation, you automatically apply the labels to all the messages in the conversation. An example for the classroom. Suppose you receive an email from a student about his final research paper. With the folder system, you have only one choice where to file your email message, under Students or under Research Projects. With labels, you can create several categories of organization and apply multiple labels onto an email. In this case, the email can have both the Students label, where you keep emails from students, and the Research Projects label, where you keep emails regarding research projects. Now, to access the message, you can click on either of the labels you applied. If you click Students, you will see all the messages that you have tagged with the Students label. If you click Research Papers, you will see only the messages you have tagged with the Research Paper label. Gmail has created several labels automatically with your account. These include Inbox, that shows your conversations. The number in parentheses indicates how many unread conversations you have. Starred shows you only messages you've marked with a star. Important, Gmail displays different colored markers to indicate different types of messages. A yellow marker means that a message is important. An empty marker means that the message is not important. Chats list your archived chat conversations. Sent mail shows messages you've sent. Drafts houses messages you've started and saved to work later. All mail is all the mail you have sent or received, regardless if it is still in the inbox or not. Spam is where Google sends the messages they think are suspicious. And trash is where messages you delete end up. You can empty the trash whenever you feel like it. You can start using labels to organize your mail to make it easier to find the messages related to topics of your choosing. You could create labels for messages sent from parents or students in different classes, a label for emails coming from a core group of people like the planning committee, labels for transactions, newsletters, etc. Think of labels as a way to navigate through your inbox by category instead of chronologically as it is typically listed. To create a label that you can add to any of your messages, click the Label button above your message list and then click Create New. You can also create labels through other means through Gmail settings or by clicking More on the left side of Gmail where labels are listed. You can add labels to your email from the inbox view or when viewing a message or conversation. This can be applied by one of two methods. The first entails marking the checkbox or checkboxes next to the emails listed, selecting the labels icon, choosing the label, and then choosing Apply. The second is through dragging the label from the left side onto the email. The label is dynamically applied quickly and easily. You can also add colors to your labels that will make it easier to find your messages in your inbox. To change the color of a label, click the square to the right of a label on the left side of the Gmail page. Then select a color from the palette that appears. Changes that you make will be instantly reflected in Gmail. You may also customize colors for your labels by clicking on the square to the right of a label and selecting Add Custom Color. Learn more about creating and managing labels in Gmail by exploring the links and videos below.